yabona kusho ukuthi ngo2015 mangithola lo mlayezo uma ngifunda ngiulandelela ngathola ukuthi kungaba sasinganayo 15 years ngaleso sikhathi inkosi yobisibuyile but mina ngizange ngitshelwe ngedate ukuthi nini ngicela ukuyishiya la bese ngifisa ukuthi kube nobufakazi ke manje enizobuzwa bento yenzeke nini Monday after lokuthi uNkulunkulu athi zingcweliseni ngifuna nithole lonto leyo ukuthi kwenzekeni Monday night kuhlanganisa uTuesday no Wednesday night lamalanga besilinde ngawo kwenzekeni ezonibonisa ukuthi sihawukele uNkulunkulu usithandile usimakade ukuthi ashintshe athi labantu laba bangilindile kodwa balungele.
It's terrifying. Amehlo bengwakhiphe wonke. My heart was pounding. Inhliziyo yami ishaya ngathi izoma. And God wanted to show me ukuthi this is where you were supposed to go. I heard voices. I did not understand where the voices were coming from. But ama voices are engawezwa. It was Italian language. Women speaking in Italian. It's only now that God explained to me. Now I found an explanation later. Ukuthi ifactory la kwenziwa khona izinto zonke lezi esizigqokayo.
Welcome to the Derby Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda Pella. Is one story at the time and one testimony at the time. It's God's time. Grace James will say. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership and also donate our details shown after that disclaimer. Thank you so much for the love and the support that you're showing us. We really appreciate it. Life continues, that rapture or no rapture, but life continues and the word of God continues. So we're happy to have people like, hey Chris, Tina, we still say Jesus is King and we see uJesu Kristu inkosi. That's what we want. Kubantu emakhaya ukuthi hayi rapture or no rapture, but Jesus is King. James, you have to tell me if we on grace.
We on grace. We on grace.
On grace?
E27, yeah?
E27 today.
Yeah, and we on grace.
We on grace. Amen. We appreciate that. Sinobaba uDladla namhlanje uzivakashe uthi uzosibona. Uthini lapho tata?
We on grace, we on grace. Ixesha lika Yesu.
Ixesha lika Yesu. Thini kubaba uDladla uzivakashele namhlanje ufike ekseni uthi hayi Chris siyangishisa indaba kaNkuluNkulu ithi ngizokubona.
Hayi. Atisiza ukuthi usiphatheleni baba.
Uthi hayi nginiphathele ukudla kwendlebe madda nginiphathele indaba ezimnandi kaNkuluNkulu sathi hayi baba uDladla woza kuzosichazela. Please like, and our t-shirts are available only cost 300 Rand. And also if you want to vote, is www.sasmawat.co.za. Vote for us as we nominated as the best podcast of the year. So yeah, thank you so much to those who are voting. Also, we really appreciate. We're humble. Babu uDladla, siyakwamukela kule show. Sibusisekile ukuthi ufikile.
Basibonge kakhulu sibengelele nathi kuwena Bhuti Chris bingelele kuBhuti Ganda uJames siyabingelela nababukeli bonke emakhaya la bekhona igama engaliphiwe ekhaya Emmanuel elinye umlamuli
umlamuli
uDladla yes so ke angihambi ngedwa hamba nonkosikazi wami uMamdladla elakhe igama bamphe ekhaya uGlory. Yes.
Inqola ifike noseyile.
Kusho ukuthi umthwalo layishiwe impela kugcwele. Yeah, ihamba ibhensile ke phezulu.
Siyabonga bakwendlala. Sikhuluma kanti namhlanje uthe hayi Chris kunezinto ezibalekile kumele sizi-address endlini kaNkuluNkulu.
Yes.
Uthe ucabanga ukuthi zizocontribute kakhulu. So sithe hayi sicela usisherele zona lezo zinto.
ya eqinisweni lonke into eyona sisukumisile besingacabanganga ukuthi singaza kule ndawo ngalesikhathi.
Yeah.
Kodwa into esisukumisile ileli viki leli esibuya kulo lokuthi ngomhla ka23 no24 besilinde ukubuya kwenkosi, besilinde ukuthi ibandla liyahlwithwa. Manje lokuthi ke akwenzakalanga ngalendlela le ebesi expectile. Kuzwakala ungazuthi kunama disappointments. Kungathi nabantu uNkulunkulu abasebenzisile ukuthi baveze le date kunemicabango mhlawumbe esho ukuthi ingathi bebeqamba amanga. Ngoba why bebe so sure and then nothing happened. So ke sizelelo ukuzo ayina lo ndaba kahle. Yona into esisukumise phansi ukuthi asiayine lento ngoba hayi ukuthi akwenzakala ngalutho. Kukhulu okwenzekile. Ukuthi abantu abazi ukuthi kwenzekeni. So iqiniso nje ilelo sizelana ngenxa yalonto leyo. Umlayezo ke wokuthi uJesu yabuya awusimusha kithi. Umlayezo esawuthola ngo2015. Noma ngeke ngisakhumbula idate but it was around this time, September, October, uma uNkulunkulu esithuma ekhuluma nami ukuthi ngiyekele yonke into ebengiyishumayela for years. Ngiyekele ngishumayela into ethi uJesu uyabuya. Well, it was not an easy decision mhlawumbe or easy assignment ngoba into uNkulunkulu makakutshela into ayikitazi yabona. Ishaya izwele ubone na ukuthi ngamandla ami lento ngeke ngikhona le. So it was difficult ukuthi ngiyekele yonke into ebengiyishumayela ebeyikitaza abantu ibenza babe excited baxhumaxhume bamkela izinto zabo. Uyayibona moso leya vibe yasesontweni. So uma uNkulunkulu esethi yekela yonke lento oyishumayelayo, tshela abantu ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. It was a struggle ngoba ngayithola nje kwakuphakathi kweviki liqala iviki ngiyacabanga la kubo Monday Tuesday. So ngilwe nayo phakathi kwami ukuthi ngiqalaphi. While ngisasene struggle sokuthi ngiqalaphi ngalento bese kuba nomuntu ongifonelayo. Noma phone lo muntu acela ukungibona. So ke ngimbuze ukuthi ke uzufuna ukubona nini? Athi no, asibonane ngolosine ntambama. Zobe ngibuye emsebenzini. Ngivumeke. This man afike eofisini ntambama around 6. Sihlale sibhekane ahlale ngale kwetafula ngibe ngapha. Azichazeke igama kodwa ngisalikhumbula ukuthi wayetheni. Ngilalele engqondweni yami ngicabanga ukuthi lo muntu lo uze mhlawumbe ngoba mhlawumbe udinga umthandazo. Angithi kaningi abantu mabafuna umfundisi usuke efuna umthandazo.
Yeah.
Noma mhlawumbe ufuna icounseling uyabona. So lo muntu uhleli ngale kungibhekile athi ke mina ngithunywe kuwe wena. Ngithi uthunywa ubani? Athi ngithunywe uJehova. Ngithi uthini? Athi uthi ngikutshela ukuthi utshela abantu ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Mangimphendula ke ngithi kuye nami beseshilo. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi userious kangaka ukuthi manje azathume wena. Uyayizwa mos. So kusho ukuthi now lo muntu uzela ukuconfirma lento engiyitsheliwe. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu akadlala userious. uJesu uyabuya vele. Angikwazi ukuthula fanele ngibatshela abantu. So maye seqedile kungitshela lokho ngibuza ukuthi khona okunyatha kusekho ngiqedile. Sekubamnyama manje. Ngithi ke kuyo right uhlalaphi? Sihlala eFosloras ngithi. So ke athi ke kimi no ngihlala khona la eFosloras. And ke enye into ekhona ukuthi kule yaminyaka ngaboma 96 ngake ngaba u-taxi driver yabona. Manje iFosloras ngiyayazi nje kahle. Itrats zonke ngiyazazi itrats zaseFoslo. Ngoba ngike ngadrive ama-taxi. Now this man ngithi ke kuye no ithi ke ngihambe nawe ngizokushiya ekhaya ngoba sekumnyama ngithi. So agibele ke emotweni sihambe kaloku engitshela jika la kufika la khona athi kimi hayi ngihlala la ngimhlisa. Mangiqede kumsihlisa lo muntu ngihambe ngekhaya. Namhlanje ungangibuza ukuthi ngamshiyaphi angazi ngamshiyaphi la muntu.
Hayibo.
Lo muntu angimazi ngamshiyaphi lo muntu noma ngafika ngeke ngimbone.
Yebo.
Ukuthi uye lo muntu engikhuluma naye.
Face awusayikhumbula.
Angimkhumbuli wayenjani, ngiyazi nje ukuthi bekuyindoda nje edark. Kodwa igama lakhe angilazi, isibongo sakhe angisazi. Angimazi ukuthi le ndawo wathi kimi uyehla. Angisazi nokuthi kwaku Stratbani, kwakuyiphi indlu. Ngagcina ukumona that day phindanga ngambona lo muntu lo. Yabona. Then kwaba indaba ukuthi ke ngiyabona manje ukuthi hayi uNkulunkulu serious. Ithi vele ngisale ngiqala. Ngoba ngeke athumele umuntu engamazi. Ngiyacabanga mhlambe kwangasumuntu, mhlambe kwakuyingelosi, I don't know. Yabona. So leyo Sunday leyo ngiqalele ke ngishumayele ke for the first time in my life of preaching. Ngaqala ukukhuluma le ndaba ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. 2015. Then ngalo Sunday leyo mangiqala nje ukuyishumayela lento kwatholakala ukuthi by the way ngokuka moya besiphethwe ngubaba uGumbi. So ke ngaleyo Sunday leyo wayenemvuselela iqalayo eTsakane. So masiphuma enkonzweni ke siyosekela la mvuselela iqala eTsakane. Uyazi umhlolo wenzeka lapho uma sifika nje that Sunday afternoon inkonzo yayingena ngo3 wafika ubaba uGumbi. Umefika wavele nje wathi namhlanje ngizoshumayela into engasashunyayelwa ngayo. Ngizontshela ngizonikhumbuza ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Wena nawe uyimbuzo ufila kanjani?
Now my confirmation says
3 times in 1 week. Yabona? Ngabona ukuthi this is serious. Then ngaqala lapho ke ngayenza study ke manje ngoba ngaleso sikhathi nganginikezwe ivesi elilodwa engangingalazi not likone eBhayibhelini. Revelation chapter 22 verse 20. Ilithi leli verse ofakaze ngalezi zinto uthi yebo ngiyeza masinyana. Now uma ungacheka lelo verse lelo yilo bese kuba uverse number 21. Uverse 21 uthi umusa wenkosi yethu uJesu Kristu ube nani nonke. Amen. Uyazi ukuthi iBhayibheli liphela lapho. Liphelele aliseke lenye iverse ozolithola eBhayibhelini. Liphelela lapha iBhayibheli. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi iBhayibheli liphela ngoJesu ethembisa ethi ngiyeza. So lela verse ngangalazi. Why? Because incwadi yesambulo bekuyincwadi engake ngayizama ngisanda ukusindiswa ngayizwa ukuthi ishaya ingqondo yami ngathi ngiyahlanya. So ngayibalekela, zangiphinde ngifunde. Sengibuyela kuyo ngoba nanga uJesu manje uthi kimi shumayela lento. Uyayithola? So ngiqale lapho ke ngenza ama studies manje ngilandelele ngifunde lencwadi yesambulo ke manje and ngitholakala ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngipha umusa uyi-understand better than before. Sikwenzile lokho ke mhlambe ngeke ngikhuluma ama details amaningi but it was a long process. Esayiqala officially uma emva kwaleso sikhathi ngoba every Sunday manje sengishumayela yona. But ngokuhamba noNkulunkulu over the years ngafunda lento ukuthi uyazi uNkulunkulu unako lokukutshela into ukuthi uyenze. Usukume uyenze leyo ntathu uyenze kodwa wena uyenze ngendlela yakho hayi ngendlela yakhe. Angazi noma lento uyakhona ukuyizwisisa. Kufana nokuthi utshela umntwana wakho uthi ngicela ungenzele itiye. Yena itiye leli alenzela wena alenze ngendlela ethandwa uye. Kodwa lizophuzwa uye liphuzwa uwe. Uyayizwisisa? Ugcina ungalenjoya ngithi letiye. Ngoba wena unendlela yakho yokuthi ubisi uthela luphi. Uthela kangakanani, amanzi angakanani, ikhaphi ingakanani, ushukela ungakanani. So umele enza ngendlela ethandwa uye noma kuyitiye elenzela wena kodwa alibi mnandi kuwe letiye ngoba lo muntu olenzile ulenze ngendlela yakhe.
Kodwa
Uyayithola
lona
manje?
yilo itiye.
Lona yilo itiye. So ke amaphutha engawenza before wezinto uNkulunkulu akangitshela zona ukuthi ngizenze. So ngase manje ngiba novalo lokuthi hey yabona this time njoba uNkulunkulu esethi ngenze lento ngiyasaba manje ukuyenza ngendlela yami. Funa ngibuze yena ukuthi uyifuna ngiyenze kanjani. Uyayithola manje. So as much as ngishumayela la inkonzweni every Sunday ngibatshela ngoJesu obuyayo. Kodwa nginomthandazo manje othi Nkosi ufuna lento ngiyenze kanjani. Uyayithola? So kwahamba isikhathi kwashaya bo December. Kufika ikhathi nje zabo Christmas. Ngibona abantu bejabulile kumnandi ngiyahluleka nokujabula ngoba ngidliwa ilento ukuthi ngingayimoshi lento kaNkulunkulu ngoba uthe ufuna ngitshela abantu and angiboni ukuthi mayithi ufuna ngitshela abantu usho la engikhonza nabo kuphela. So ngifuna ukwazi manje ukuthi ufuna ngiyenze kanjani. So ngelinye ilanga kusekuseni nje ngaba 4 ekseni ngangiphuma ekhaya ngiya enkonzweni ngiya ku prayer ngabo 4 endleleni nje ngizwe nje iphimbo elithi enze campaign. Yabona maye mina ngiphendule ngithi campaign ngiyazi ngizicabangela ipolitiki yabo. Hayi mina icampaign ngiyazi kubamba politicians makuza ama election. Yes angiphendula athi ya yenze campaign umemezela ukubuya kwenkosi ize ibuye. Uyayithola manje. So uma isuka lapho ke sengiyaqala manje ngifuna ukulandelela ukuthi okay njoba kuyicampaign yini into efuna ngizenze manje. So into yokuqala angitshela yona ukuthi ufanele uhambe umemezele ezitradini. Yabona? So enye into mhlambe engiyishiyile ukuthi into engifunde ngoNkulunkulu uma ekuthuma into ukuthi uyenze if lento la kuthuma yona inezinto ezidingayo yena uyenza ukuthi lezi zinto ezidingayo uyithole. So before azongitshela le ndaba kuvela umfana nje around October mhlambe September, yeah I think it was early September, kuvela umfana ebengikhonza naye sikhonza sonke uqeda ukuthenga ivan. So umfana lo ivan NP200 bese athola umsebenzi eTanzania just a month after athenga ivan athola umsebenzi eTanzania. So bese sakimi lo mfana athi ke eish baba bengicela ukuthi njoba ngiyahamba ngazi ngiyobuya nini kodwa ngeke kube less than a year ngicela ukukushiya nale moto ihlale kuwe. Bese ngimphendule mina ngithi mayihleli kimi ngizoyisebenzisa izoguga. Kungcono vele sikhuluma ukuthi ayisabuyeli kuwe le moto. Avume lo mfana.
Yebo.
Uyayithola manje. So kusho ukuthi njengoba uNkulunkulu ekhuluma lento already nginevene ngihamba ngayo la. Engiyinike lo mfana. Kanti le veni izele lo msebenzi. Umethu uNkulunkulu yenza i-campaign ngithi kanjani athamba umemezele ezitradini. Ngithi kanjani athenga ithi veni ngunikile.
Yebo.
Funa i-sound system. Ufake la emuva evenini uhambe street by street umemezela ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Uyayithola? So ngithi mina ke all right manje imali okay ngifonele lo mfana ngoba wenza isound. Ngimfonele ngithi kuye mani ngidinga ipick engamemezela ngazo la nga11 angenzile i-quotation. I-quotation yakho nebiza 11,000. Then ngixakekile manje ukuthi how do I raise 11,000 ngoba manje njoba uNkulunkulu ekhuluma lento ayikhulumayo ubeka i-deadline uthi kimi ngolosibili, which means njoba liphela iviki nje yabona namhlanje njoba kuyi-Saturday kusho ukuthi this coming Tuesday ufuna ube waqala uyamemezela and namhlanje mina ngina sound. Uyayizwa manje? So ngiyabuza ke mina ukuthi manje ngizoyithola play picker ngoba 11,000. Athi hayi ufika enkonzweni wena ubatshele nje abantu ukuthi ke uthunywa yimi udinga ipicker loyo mina engimthintayo. So ungaforce umuntu. Loyo mina engizomthinta uyena ozokunika imali. Ngifike ngenze njalo ke Sunday. Hayi mangiqeda ukwenza lokho phuma inkonzo. Mayiphuma inkonzo ngilandelwe intombazanyana nje obungayidelela wena ucabanga ukuthi ufunda e-high school angilandele officeini lomntwana uma ngene officeini umntwana ngithola ugcwele inyembezi angibuza athi baba ubufuna ngifake kuphi le mali uyangizwa manje uthi ngifake kuphi le mali ngithi mina yiphi imali yabona manje ngidomekile nami ngoba lo muntu engimibhekile engqondweni nami ngicabanga ukuthi le mali edingeka iza ngaye
wena ulindele indoda ezofika faka
uyangizwa mos mina ngicabanga ukuthi kuvela ubusinessman phela indoda ehloniphekile ephethe imali kuvela umntwana wentombazana athi ngifake kuphi le mali ngithi usho yiphi athi leyo the iyadingeka ye-sound ngithi noyifake ku-account yebandla ayifake lo mntwana wayifaka 11,000 that same day so ngelanga elilandelayo ngaphuthuma ngathenga ipika kwaba umsebenzi uyaqala yabona so ke samemezela ke from that time ziningi izinto ezenzekile kuze kwafika la khona uNkulunkulu esenzele umusa sibe nama trailer sihambe simemezela ngetrailer ukuthi Jesus is coming, Jesus is coming, Jesus is coming. Fosloras Marathanda Alex nala Soweto sikeseza sihambe abo Free State abo Mpumalanga Limpopo uyabona simemezela le ndaba le ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Now angiwayekela ama details amaningi mhlawumbe sobuye siwakhulume ngesinye isikhathi kodwa uma ngenza ama studies ngoba phela nginikwe lo mthwalo I always knew ukuthi ukubeka kwenkosi kuseduze yabona ngo 2015 I knew ukuthi ukubeka kwenkosi kuseduze in a sense that we might not even be having 15 years counting from that time yabona kusho ukuthi ngo 2015 mangithola lo mlayezo uma ngifunda ngiulandelela ngathola ukuthi kungaba sasinganayo 15 years ngaleso sikhathi inkosi yobe isibuyile but mina ngizange ngitshelwe ngedate ukuthi nini yabona until ke kufike lesikhathi especially this year ngoba angaze ngubone unyaka mina ofana nalo la khona lo mlayezo udume kangaka and ngabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu wenza lento ngoba vele uNkulunkulu akaza asebenzisa umuntu oyedwa nje amenza uSuperman indaba yakhe uyinikeza abantu kodwa kube ngathi puzzle yabona so omunye nomunye unikeza ishare yakhe omunye nomunye anikwe ipiece yakhe kodwa uma ngabe suyihlanganisa then it will give you a clear picture so bengazi ukuthi bakhona abanye abantu uNkulunkulu abahlupha ngalento it's just that imongabazi yabo so bonke abantu abebevela bekhuluma ngokubuya kwenkosi bengibalalelisisa ukuthi bathini babe khona abantu engibezwayo ukuthi le ayishoyo yabona kodwa babe khona engibazwa ukuthi uyayizwa mos yes ngoba ngithi kuthiwa sihlolo umoya yeah so bakhona bezwayo ukuthi mabekhuluma ukuthi bakhona bathi mabekhuluma ukuthi ayisho so uma ke kufika lesikhathi la kuphuma khona le date ngithi outing check isisi yayibona manje ngoba phela iphuma this year and now i challenge ekhona ukuthi uma ngabe mina ngeke ngafisa ukuthi abantu bangikholwe ukuthi ngithunywe uNkulunkulu akufanelanga uma esethuma abanye ngibe neproblem yayizwa manje akufanelanga ngibe nenkinga uma ethuma abanye if abanye abantu bafanele bangilalele bangikholwe kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu methuma abanye fanele nabo ngibalalele nami ngibakholwe ngoba kunezinto anganginikanga zona ayinike bona ngoba uma ngabe ngingeke ngibakholwe kusho ukuthi now sengibanjwe umoya wepride manje if angatsheli mina then I see right I see you if akangitsheli uyayibona inkinga enjani so now I had to check ukuthi ke ngempela le ndaba le iyavumelana nezwi lenkosi yabona so ngathola ukuthi I am at peace with it I believe it ithi ngibe kanjalo uyabo ngayikholwa lento ukuthi hayi inkosi iseduze yabona ukuthi ke ngenxa yokuphatha lo mlayezo uNkulunkulu wasinikeza ukuthi how to prepare the church yabo for his coming, how to prepare the church. And leyo nto leyo nayo ukuthi liyo prepare kanjani into engayithola ngayo 2015 kodwa ukuyimplementa siqale 2021 2022 yeah, because this year is the 3rd year. Bengizama ukuyenza le nto ayishilo uNkulunkulu but bengahlangani. So enye izinto engifundile mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakutshela into kodwa isikhathi sayo saziwa uye noma ekutshelile. So kungenzeka akutshela into namhlanje kanti ukutshela into azofanele ukuthi ayenze in 10 years time. Wena uyizame manje uma ngalo ukuthi manje wayihlula. Kanti no iyahlula because based on time this thing athi uyenze is not yet time. But is preparing you ukuthi ngesikhathi esiright izoyenzeka. So bengizama ukuyenza le nto ayishilo as a preparation to prepare the church. Le angitshele yona ukuthi ke nayi imfundiso okufuna uyinake ukulosela ibandla for lento oyimemezelayo ngoba phela asikwazi ukuthi singakhuluma indaba eserious kangaka and do nothing about it. Uyayibona? Ingani mangabe manje ngingathi kuwe sifanele sihambe seThekwini kuzofanele uyilungise. Manje singathi siye ezulwini ungalungisi lutho. Uyayibona le nto le. That's why kunomoya wrong okhona oyayikhulunywa abantu abakholwa ukuthi once wasindiswa wamukela uJesu you are ready for heaven. Noma ungabe uphila kanjani emhlabeni you are ready. When you die you go to heaven. That is a lie. Uyabona? So ikhona ipreparation ofanele siyenze. And ipreparation yenziwa yizwi likaNkulunkulu. Akufanelanga sikhanda ama notes. Ngoba masikhanda ama notes angitsho siyasefa sithatha lokuthandwa yithi. Fanele silethe iBhayibheli. iBhayibheli uJesu uthi senihlanzekile ngezwe ngilikhulume kunini. Kusho ukuthi uma ekhuluma akufanelanga ngasisefa inkulumo yakhe. Fanele siyilandele word for word. Ngoba makayikhuluma khona into ayikhipha kithi yabo. So ke we have been doing that. Now uma sekuvela ilanga ke kuthiwa ke manje uNkulunkulu uJesu ukhulumile wathi ke 2024 kwatholakala ukuthi mina personally I believed it. And ngabatshela nabazalwane ukuthi bantwana benkosi Nkosi sikhulumile mina ngiyayikholwa kukini ukuthi nina niyayikholwa nanikholwa kodwa uma ngabe mina nangikholwa nginitshela into eyathi naniqala ukuzwa yanganihlala kahle nami ngiyayikholwa le eza ngabantu uNkulunkulu abasebenzisayo kulesi sikhathi and it works because sometimes usebenzisa ngisho abantwana abancane. Uma ngabe ke sithi abantu abadala abanamanga abantwana banamanga akusiso yini ukufeza kweprofeti ukuthi ngensuku uzogcina uyothulula umoya wakhe phezulu kwenyama yonke. So ke we had to take it very serious ke indaba yani yokubuya kwenkosi nini nge23 and 24. Alright? Saba serious nje impela serious nje because faith comes by hearing and umuntu okholwayo ubonakala ngezenzo. So fanele kube nento eyenzayo ibonisa ukuthi akholwa, so we had to be serious. And then again I think for about a month besi dila kakhulu nalo ndaba nje ukuthi now we are preparing ourselves bazalwane ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Yabona? And uma ungakhumbula uma uNkulunkulu ebezovakashela uIsrael every time bebatshela ukuthi Moses batshele bayilungisa. So kungeza kanjani ukuthi uJesu azi singasilungisa? Angisho yabona. So people were busy ke bezilungisa nami personally ngiyilungisa ngoba khona izinto othuma usu under pressure then you realize ukuthi kuningi okufanele ukulungise in my life yayibona mos. Yeah, sometimes you uzobanjwa ukushumayela ukhohle ukuzilungisa ngoba izwi lenkosi umthetho wakhona ufuna lishaya umuntu oshumayelayo before liyoshaya oshunyezwayo. Yeah, fanele iqale kimi lingisebenze. So ngoba uma lingangisebenzi then ngiyafana nomuntu ophethe idemo kanti kufuneka ibreastfeeding I-breastfeeding umama uza nebele kodwa kufanele kudla umama kuqala asuthe ukuze ibele lakhe likhiphe ubisi. So uma ubona abantu bengabi lento uNkulunkulu abafuna babe yiyo, sometimes the problem akusibantu ukuthi balikhuni, iproblem ubisi abalidlayo. Ukuthi abadla ubisi lwebele badliswa idemo ngoba nalo ophethe lolubisi alibuyi kuye lubuye ebhodleleni. Yangithi uyabona. So na ufana ishaye kimi. Nami ngisebenze lento le ngoba phambi kwaNkulunkulu angiyena umfundisi, umntwana kaNkulunkulu. Ezulwini nasiyofika le, siyofika impela, siyofika sonke sibe abantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Ngeke kufike kuthiwe masifale kuthiwa ngoba umfundisi wena na iside lokhlala abafundisi ngapha no bishop no bani. No, abantwana bakaNkulunkulu sonke phambi kwaNkulunkulu. So umusa ukuthi ngithi ngingumntwana kaNkulunkulu aphinde uNkulunkulu athi ngifuna ungisebenzele, umusa lo. Kodwa ngikwazi ukuhighlight ukusetshenziswa uNkulunkulu more than i-relationship enginayo noNkulunkulu. Kungcono uma uyekela ukushumayela and remain a child of God than uqhubeka ushumayele and ungasese umntwana kaNkulunkulu. Yabo. So ke ngayikholwa lento sa prepare abazalwane. uNkulunkulu nje futhi wangayemzothi wangiphusha yabona, wangiphusha ukuthi do this thing. And then again until Sunday. Enye mhlawumbe into engicela ukuyi-highlighta ukuthi unyaka mawuqala uNkulunkulu wakhuluma into ukuthi this year is going to do a new thing, yabona. Manje okunye ngufundile ukuthi nako lokho unakho ukungakuchazela ukuthi uma ithi new thing usho ini. So uzocabangela ingqondo yakhe yale nale. Kanti new thing wakhe akusilento wena oyicabangayo. So I was waiting for something new. Hayi ke Sunday ke sishaya farewell ke thina mzalwane wami.
Hayi.
Ya, sishaya farewell vele sathi bazalwane. This week uJesu uyabuya, kholekile othembisayo. Yabona? It sounded very crazy. Yabona? Uyabuya bazalwane, so asizilungiseleleni. So savalelisana kahle enkonzweni ukuthi ke and then ngase ngithinteka nje uNkulunkulu wabeka nje enhlizweni yami ukuthi ke ningayohlala emakhaya and just sit. You must pray, fast and pray, right? So ke Monday ke bese ngiyamemezela ukuthi ngicela nize Monday bazalwane sizozila sithandaza. Nize futhi ngolosibili. Uma icilongo lingakakhali ngolosibili. Nize futhi sizoyenzani? Sizothandaza. Mangabe icilongo lingakakhali ngolosithathu. Nize futhi sizothandaza. Mayicilongo lingakakhali ke bazalwane, kwashaya lwesine. Hayi ke siyaqhubeka ke siyathandaza. Na Friday kanjalo. Uyangitsho yibona manje. So ke saqala ke Monday. Masiqala Monday. uNkulunkulu wakhuluma ngento ethi sanctification. Ukungcweliswa. I was shocked. I was so shocked. uNkulunkulu sihambele bazalwane. Kakhulu. Futhi usithandile.
Kakhulu.
Yeah. Ngoba uma ngabe ngempela uJesu ubuyile walanda ibandla, besizoba surprised. Kunabantu ababezofika bebezohlwithwa sazi ukuthi bahambile kodwa bangangena ezulwini. Yes. Ngoba ukuhlwithwa kusho ukuthi ungenile ukusuka la. Khona umuntu onokugibela itransport ekseni aye emsebenzini bese uma emsebenzini bafonele ekhaya bathi akafikanga. Sekufuna trace bamthole emoshari. Kusho ukuthi khona lento ukuthi usuku ungafiki la uyakhona. Yabo? So uma ngabe uJesu ubebuyile this week bekuzoba ingxaki enkulu. So lokuthi apostpone mina ngiyibuka kanjalo. Uhawukele thina uNkulunkulu. It's not that labazalwane bebathi 23-24 they were lying. No, it's not that. But uNkulunkulu ubone thina as a church, like a church as a whole. Angikhulumeli thina eForce ngikhulumela ibandla lika Jesu everywhere, the whole world. Ubonile ukuthi labantu laba abanye babo vele nje they were rejecting the message. Angithi? Yeah, abanye babo bebe rejecta nje vele. Njengamanje abanye bathini labantu bebaqamba amanga laba, they were false prophets, yabo. It's because they don't understand. Uma ufunda incwadi kaPetro wesibili iBhayibheli lithi in the last days scoffers will come saying where is the promise of his coming. So njengamanje abantu bathi where is the promise of, this was a lie. No, it was not a lie. It's because you know what you know. You saw what you saw. You didn't see anything, everything. Ziningi izinto uNkulunkulu azenze this week ezingibonisile ukuthi hey sithandiwe. Kangangokuthi if you would remember indaba yakaJona, uJona owathunyelwe eNiniva. uNkulunkulu ukhuluma naye first time uJona akasaye eNiniva yeTarashish. Uyamhlupha uNkulunkulu ugwinywa inhlanzi umbuyisela khona lapha. But ithi iBhayibheli iNiniva ngoba belilibi benza izinto ezimbi. Kuthiwa uJona wayesehamba kwayishumayela ke. Intshumayelo yakhe ithi in 40 days from now God is going to destroy the whole of Nineveh. So kusho ukuthi uyaqeda ngani. Kuthiwa washumayela that first day abantu baseNineveh bahlatshwa izwi baphenduka batshela inkosi yabo. Nenkosi yabo yasukuma esitulweni sayo yakhumula impahla zayo yafaka ezamasaka yahlala emlotheni wathi sicela kuzilwe wonke umuntu akazile ukudla mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu angasihawukela. Mangabe nomuntu odlayo omdala nomncane ungadli nenja yakhe ingadli inkomo inkukhu ini onayo kuyazilwa manje sikhala enkosini. Why? Because uma uNkulunkulu mhlawumbe sibona ukuthi siyayisola siyaphenduka mhlawumbe angasihawukela. Lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wabuka ukuphenduka kwabo waphenduka naye. Zanga salibhubhisa kodwa bethe uzolibhubhisa. Why? Because kunabantu abaye baba ready to repent. Iproblem enkulu njengamanje ukuthi the church does not want to repent. Manje. Yabona. So kunezinto eziningi azenzile uNkulunkulu. So ke ngicela ukuthi mhlambe for now. Ngicela ukuyishiya la bese ngifisa ukuthi kube nobufakazi ke manje enizobuzwa. Bento yenzeke nini? Monday after lokuthi uNkulunkulu athi zingcweliseni. Ufuna nithole lonto leyo. Ukuthi kwenzekeni Monday night kuhlanganisa uTuesday no Wednesday night. Lamalanga besilinde ngawo kwenzekeni ezonibonisa ukuthi sihawukela uNkulunkulu. Usithandile usimakade ukuthi ashintshe athi labantu laba bangilindile kodwa balungele. Yayizwa? Bangilindile ukuthi uzofika ukuthi uzolanda umuntu uloku uyamfonela. Ngiyaza sengiyaphuma manje. Athi okay, all right, sengila ekhoneni. Yeah, no ngikhona. Mawuthi uyafika umthole ehlelele efaka amapijama. Kanti nihamba ol-serious. Uyakubambezela manje. Sekufuna umlinde kanti umtshele before so that he can prepare.
And this person is not prepared.
This person is not prepared. So sune option ukuthi is either uyamshiya or uyakubambezela uyamlinda. Akekho umuntu ongabambezela iplan likaNkulunkulu. So uma ngabe uJesu bebuyile walanda ibandla this week, I'm telling you ngabe seku trouble serious kabi. Yes. Ngoba ngabe baningi abazalwana abangahlwithwanga. Point number 1. Why bangahlwithwa? Inhliziyo zabo azikho right. Ngabe baningi abahlwithiwe. Why? Because inhliziyo zabo zi right. Kodwa la beyakhona mabefika ngoba la uyathathwa le kunesango. Na ufike egateini uthola ukuthi akungeneki. That's why kune parable uJesu afundise ngayo, I parable of a marriage supper. La khona kuthiwa inkosi beyenzela indodana yayo umshado. Bese kuthiwa wakhipha ama invitation isikhathi singafiki etshela abantu ukuthi ngizoshadisa indodana yami, please nizilungiselele. Uma ngabe selifikile ilanga kuthiwa waphinde wathumela ingceku zakhe futhi. Hambani ke nobatshela bonke abantu engangibamemile ukuthi manje yisi isikhathi abeze umshado uyaqala kuthiwa abantu benza kanjani badelela abantu laba babemenyiwe uma sekuthiwa isikhathi sesifikile badelela bona labo bantu ababemenyiwe kwenzekeni manje akusibo yini abazalwane ebebekhuluma izinto ezi-wrong against abantu abathunywa uNkulunkulu ukuzotshela abantu ukuthi lelo langa selifikile. You understand? Bona laba kade bemenyiwe yibo futhi kuthiwa badelela bapostpone abanye kuthiwa baqhubeka nemisebenzi yabo as normal ngoba for bona banezinto abayibona zibalekile in life, so lento yalomshado yababambezela kuthiwa inkosi yaphinda yathuma ezinye ingceke zayo hayibo hambani nobatshela labantu laba kuthiwa bayibamba ke lezo bayishaya futhi nokuyishaya ingceke zakhe beshayelana ukuthi sithunyiwe kuzotshela bona abamenyiwe ukuthi hey umshado phela sewufikile. Inkosi ekugcineni kuthiwa yasithi alright ngoba labantu ebengibamelimile bebangafanelanga ngimema abantu aba wrong bayekeleni kuthiwa wabashaya wabadestroyer umeqeda wathi hambane ezitradini nithatha babe nabahle nibalethe ngoba indlu yami ngifuna igcwale na indaba engize kuyo. Kuthiwa sebehlile abantu emhlanga ematafuleni emshadweni kuthiwa inkosi yeza yafika babuka one by one yathola omunye ukuthi akagqokanga izwa bamlanda estradini mara bamthola akagqokanga etafuleni kuthiwa ndoda ufike kanjani ungene kanjani wena la ngoba kusho ukuthi bewungafanelanga ukungena wena unje ngoba ezulwini kungcwele bakithi. Ezulwini kungcwele khona izinto ezila emhlabeni engeke zingene ezulwini, so kuthiwa ungene kanjani wena njengoba nje kuthiwa wathula wangaba nempendulo ngoba ubani umuntu ongayiphendulela phambi kwaNkulunkulu. Emva kwaloko kuthiwa mthatheni lo nimlahlele bumnyama obungaphandle la kunokukhala khona nokugedla kwamazinyo. Uyazi ngihlushwa yini lapho? Ngihlushwa ukuthi ulandwe estradini wayofakwa emshadweni. Uma bemthola emshadweni ukuthi akekho ready for umshado ngenxa ye-appearance. Uyayizwa mos? Appearance yakhe yamphika ukuthi ufanele abe kulamshado. Akathathwa lo muntu abuyiselwe estradini abamthathe kuso. Kuthiwa mlahlelene ebumnyameni obungaphandle la kunokukhala khona nokugedla kwamazinyo. Kusho ukuthi bakhona abantu abebezosuka la ezulu emhlabeni bathi baye ezulwini bahlwithiwe sibazi behlwithiwe kodwa ezulwini bangangeni. Why bangangeni? Because of their appearance. Kusho ukuthi inhliziyo right mari appearance wrong. Kusho bakholwa enhlizweni kodwa appearance wrong. Kukhona abantu abane problem yenhliziyo ibaphi yilabo abangazange bafuna ukuza vele ababemenyiwe. Problem yabo isenhlizweni ngoba labo bavele wisha izinto than uJesu, bavele wisha into zabo more than loba memile. Bese laba bayamkela isimemo laba inhliziyo yabo right, they receive the invitation kodwa kunabantu abanganaki appearance. Ayithola ke manje.
Ayithola.
Manje ke ngizama ukuthi ke kulesi sikhathi esikuso isikhathi bekufuna ngabe ibandla libonga uNkulunkulu kunokukhombana ngeminwe kunokugxeka abantu kunokwenzani ngoba sithandwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi uJesu abone ukuthi akapostpone le date because labantu aze kubo abanye inhliziyo zabo azikho right, abanye iappearance yabo ayikho right. Iphuzu lami lilapho nje. So ke manje bengicela ukuthi ngiyibeke la for now. Si hand over to uMamdladla. Azontshela ke ukuthi what really happened kulamalanga amabili. Yini lento eyenzeke kulamalanga u2? Ngoba lento eyenzeke kulamalanga u2 ngiyanitshela ngempela bazalwane. Uma ngabe uJesu abebuyile bese sengxakini. So ibandla bekufuna ngabe liyabonga kunokuhleka, bekufuna ngabe liyabonga kunokugxeka, bekufuna ngabe liyabonga kunokuthi libe nabantu elithi they are false prophets. Bekufuna ngabe ibandla liyabonga lithi Nkosi usihawukele. Usizwele ngoba uma ibandla belihlwithiwe akekho umuntu ongayimela inhlupheko ezayo la emhlabeni uma ngabe ibandla lelo ahlwithwa. And if ibandla belihlwithiwe uma umuntu engangenanga ezulwini akekho umuntu ongayimela into yasesihogweni. I serious le nto leya. Yabo. So iyona lento esilethe lana. ukuthi asikhulume ngoba kunento uNkulunkulu asibonise yona. So we can't keep quiet. Ukuza la mina angikaze ngibe nento engiphushayo ukuza la. Honestly, angikaze ngibe nayo. Yabo? Yeah. Kodwa le channel ngiyayazi, kodwa ayikho into eyangiphusha ukuthi ngizela. Until kwenzeke lento, nangivuka ekseni on the same day ngithumele ngayo message. Was it Thursday?
Yeah.
Yes, mangivuka ekseni Thursday, the first thing efike enhlizweni yami ukuthi this is the time to talk. And defend the gospel. And defend labantu abakhulumile. Ngoba njengamanje bayahlekwa emhlabeni because they were so sure ukuthi siyahamba manje. So uma ngabe abazi ukuthi bazophendula abathini manje kunzima ukuya enkonzweni, kunzima ukuhlangana nabantu ngoba abantu bayahleka bathi namani false prophets. No, it was not a lie, it was the truth, but it was also the grace of God ukuthi uJesu athi let me postpone. So bengicela ukuthi ke kulesikhathi ngicela ukuyibeka la.
Yeah.
Sinikeze uMamdladla ukuthi abeke lezi zinto ezibalekile ezenzeke kulamalanga amabili, then ke sizothi masiqeda lapho bese siyayiconclude indaba yanamhlanje.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba. Mamdladla sicela usondele kancane.
Ngasukuma boss.
Yeah, yes, thank you. Ezohlala kahle umama. Mamdladla sekwamukela eshowini. uJesu Kristu inkosi.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthola lethuba la namhlanje. Mangiqale ngokubingelela ababukeli emakhaya. Mbungelele nani khona la e-studio, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngaleli thuba engilithole namhlanje. And engicabanga ukuthi baningi abantu abazosizakala ngalobufakazi bami engizobusho namhlanje. Particularly ngicela ukuthi ngikhulume kakhulu nabomama basemabandleni, abomama mfundisi, abomama mawumama nje okholwayo, uthi wena umama okholwayo, uphethe ibandla, umama oshumayelayo. This is the message for you. Ngiqale nje kulosuku lolu uBabdladla alishilo ukuthi sonke siyesawukholwa umlayezo lo we-rapture wange 23 or 24. So mina angifuna uqamba amanga, ngiba emotionally, and I still can't believe it ukuthi why me. I knew ukuthi uNkulunkulu love us, and eplanini kaNkulunkulu uthi akafuna ukubona noyi-one wethu aye kubhujisweni because he loved us so much. Akukho eplanini kaNkulunkulu to see his people perishing. So ngiyabonga ukuthi ngithole lethuba, and kuyangithusa futhi kuyangithobisa futhi kuyangisabisa lezi zinto uNkulunkulu angibonise zona on the very same night. Ezinye uqale before the 23rd and before the 23rd leze bekuyilanga le rapture ukungibonisa, but I ignore them. Okokuqala ziningi izinto uNkulunkulu angibonisile, it was just nje zilibele unrevealeka isikhathi masihamba. Ngaqala ngaphupha the day bekuthiwa kuzoba ne red moon. I think it was Monday, I don't remember the date, but I still remember ukuthi mabathi kuzoba ne red moon, it was, I think, blood moon or red moon, something like that. It was Monday. On that very same night, ephupheni, ngaphupha ngingaphandle kusebusuku. So makungaphandle ngibona a big moon ngaphandle igcwele nje isibhakabhaka. So it was so big, so huge. And manje ngilibele ngikhuluma ngiwanithi man, why is this moon so big? Because ngiyayazi isize yenyanga, it's not supposed to be this big. And the color as well, the color was gray, like dark gray. So two things I was asking myself, why is this moon so big? Why is the color so gray? Because but say there's a blood moon. And then immediately while I was still asking myself then kuqala umoya ongathi tornado. A tornado, suddenly there was a tornado around me. Ningakhohlwa kusephusheni. There was a tornado around me, and then lo moya lowo ungizungeza ungirounda mawungirounda ungiphakamise, and then I skyrocketed ungise phezulu. Mangiya phezulu, I landed in hell.
Sure.
When I landed in hell, ngazibona ukuthi noma kuthiwani la kusesihogweni la. There is no God. There's no presence of God. It's cold. It's terrifying. Amehlo bengwakhiphe wonke. My heart was pounding. Inhliziyo yami beyishaya ngathi izoma. And God wanted to show me ukuthi this is where you were supposed to go. I heard voices. I did not understand where the voices were coming from. But ama voices engawezwa, it was Italian language, women speaking in Italian. It's only now that God explained to me, now I found an explanation later, ukuthi ifactory la kwenziwa khona izinto zonke lezi esizigqokayo. Zonke lezi zinto esizithandayo ze fashion, uNkulunkulu ungifake lapho, but bekusesihogweni, i-department esesihogweni. And on that very same week, uqale before uNkulunkulu, before the 23rd, engibonise emaphupheni brother Chris, okoqala bengifake i-gold teeth. Ungibonise le gold teeth iwile. Mangivuka ekseni ngatshela ubabudladla ngathi babudladla ngiphuphe i-gold teeth iwile. Athi kimi ubaba ucabanga ukwenza, ngithi ngicabanga ukuyikhipha. Because angifaka ngamanje, ngifake I was 13 years old. Bengi teenager and bengi teenager ethanda izinto. Ngafaka i-gold teeth then. Now, uNkulunkulu azange ngi-address ngendaba ye-gold teeth. All these years, I was saved from a very young age. I think I was 22 years when I got saved. But uNkulunkulu wathula wangiyeka. Azange indaba ye-gold teeth I-address, not even once. It's only now that God showed me, wangibonisa iwile emaphupheni. Okwesibili, ngibone amazipho, bengithanda ukufaka amazipho. Ebandleni engikulo, I was admired for amazipho. Women admired me, young people admire me. You name them all. I will wear stilettos, I will wear coffin, you name them all. There was a time where ngenzele style abathi glow in the dark. Those nails, they glow phansi kwengubo. Mawulela amazipho khona ya lighter. I was admired for that. I was loved for that. Abantu abasha, they were crazy about that. All the women were saying, Mamdladla, yo amazipho wakho yonke indawo la ngiyakhona. Ubabdladla wacishe waphuma engubeni wabaleka. Athi ngubi yasha. Ngathi yes, wathi na ingubi yasha kenzakalani? Ngathi mina kunangubi eshaya amazipho abizwa i-glow in the dark. So they glow. There was this fashion amazipho bekuthiwa i-changing colors. And wonke lawo mazipho abuye eChina, they will change amakhala. Ufake icolor eyi-one, but it will change from one color to another. But you painted just one color. Yeah. So I used to have those kind of nails, and I was admired by a lot of women, even ebandleni. But thina istyle samazipho sibheke kuwe mama. Not knowing ukuthi I was ushering the whole church to hell. uNkulunkulu kufanele ukuthi aze azehlele and convince me himself.
Yeah.
Ubabdladla never had a problem with me wearing amafaka amazipho. He never addressed me with any of those issues, because uthi naye mina mangisindiswa ngithole vela abazalwane baso. I don't have any other picture of ukuthi abazalwane fanele babe njani. Ngithole vele mina amazipho afaka. So mina I thought in my mind, because mina ngisindiswa manje, ukuthi vele kusho ukuthi ibandla likaNkulunkulu must look like that. Amazipho ngiwabone ephupheni uNkulunkulu asimaja ngathi umdoko. Okwesibili, maseka ngivezela bewakhathekile wonke. Ngiqeda ukwafaka ngawabona khathekile. Third time around izandla zami bezivutha ngifaka amazipho. And then ngabona ukuthi something is going on here. Okwesi-3 into uNkulunkulu angibonise yona, my wardrobe, the whole closet was empty. And mina ngithanda ama brand names ke. Ebandleni bayazi mina, every brand name that you can think of, from the bags. I used to have the Pradas, the Gucci's, the Louis Vuittons. Ama bag wami, imali eworth ama bag wami, angikaze nganikelela uNkulunkulu ngale mali le mina ama bag wami bengiwathenga ngawo. Ayikho i-brand name ebenganayo. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, niyawazi bo mama, and siyawathanda. So uNkulunkulu angibonisa iwardrobe yami yonke empty and I used to wear designer clothes. So uNkulunkulu uthi ngikubonisela ukuthi la bengikufake khona ifactory la kwenziwa khona lezi zinto enizigqokayo. Designer clothes, I used to wear vela ama designer clothes. Benginazo impahla from the regular shops abo Edgar's Foschini, but most of my closet is designer clothes. Neyicathulo. Ngiphuphe ama box wonke eyicathulo angekho. And mind you, these are the things that I love them so much. Ngizithanda kakhulu. Bengihlale ngithi mina ngikhona ukugcoka isicathulo esingathi sishibhashibhile ziyatsipana ke lezi eyishibhile.
Kodwa ma.
Yes, I used to say that. Ngithi mina yabona lezi ezingama plastic ezingathi angeke ngikhone bakithi mina I was always known as a fashionista. From a very young age I used to wear brand names. From ngisaqoka amateki. Ngangifaka iteki mina labo ma 3000 limeshe nebhande. Even before I was saved. So I thought I was delivered. So usathane wangibamba la ngimncane khona. What you can preach all you like, you can say all the repentance message as long ungeke uchinche ku appearance. And of which that appearance is the one that defiled the church that I'm in. Ubabdlala has done his part. He has preached the repentance message. Ibandla lonke abazalwane ngikholwa ukuthi we were all ready to be raptured based on our heart, attitude of the heart. But the appearance was wrong because of the mother of the church, because of me. I defiled it.
The whole church.
The whole church, Baba, because I'm a role model to women. I used to preach that in conferences. Ukuthi no man, uNkulunkulu angeke akushisele i-last week. Ngeke uNkulunkulu akushisele i-Brazilian. I mean uthe usithande sisingakabi izoni. Why would you go to hell for ukufaka amazipho lawa esiwafakayo? uNkulunkulu wabona ukuthi because I'm stubborn. Uyasaza ngisho uNkulunkulu. Uyangazi ukuthi mina ngistubborn and mangikholele entweni I will hold on and I will be firm to what I believe in. Kangangokuthi noma ngabe bekathumela ubabdladla bengeke ngishintshe. Bengizombuza ubabdladla ukuthi what is wrong now because ungiyekile all these years. Ngizigqoka lezi zinto because ubabdladla never had any issue. I used to wear a trouser at church. There were many baningi abomamfundisi ebebeza kimi bathe man mamdladla man siyakuzwa, you are so powerful, you are preaching, uyasibusisa, but man indaba yebruko man ngibezwe mara ngingabezwa ngoba nabo into yabo beyingathi inoku hypocrite kancane. Hayi kancane kakhulu. Ngoba bengizibuza ukuthi into enza ukuthi ngiliqhubeke ngiligqoka ibruko bengikhuzile ukuthi laba bebasho kanjalo kimi bona bawagqoka enkonzweni mara during the week bayawagqoka. So I was asking myself ukuthi akusuku uzenzisa lokho. Because mangabe uholy, if you are you consider yourself as a holy woman, fanele ibruko ungaligqoki full time. Kungabikho indawo la uzofaka ibruko awuligqoke esontweni mara kwakho ufaka imimpintsho yebruko and then you say kwabanye abomama ulifakelani ibruko esontweni but now uyaligqoka during the week. So you can't wear holiness like a garment. Uyayigqoka uyayikhipha. If you are holy, be holy full time because holiness is a lifestyle. Akusi into igqoka njenge jacket ukuthi okay mangesontweni, then that's hypocrisy. If ngizofaka ibruko esontweni awulifake esontweni ngoba kusho ukuthi wena you are just holy ngoba uku environment usenkonzweni sebandleni but kwakho ugqoka ama jean. So it's pointless. Mina i-message engiyiphethe kubo bonke abomama, it's a requirement. Nobody, I'm saying nobody, akekho umuntu ozongena ezulwini nazo zonke lezi zinto uNkulunkulu angiyekise zona. Ungibonisa icathulo, ama-bag lawa bengiwaphatha, impahla, i-gold teeth, amazinyo. Wangibonisa ekhaya kwami Chris, there were vases. Ama-vase lawa athandwa abomama esihlobisa ngawo. Picture frames. Yabona ukuthi azinakekanga kanjani buthi. Mina I would have landed in hell not knowing ukuthi I was in idol worshipping. I did not know. Mina ngokuya ngami I thought I was ready to be raptured. I thought mina God, I have done everything that you have asked me to do. I have lived according to me. I thought I was holy. Wathi uNkulunkulu ngizokubonisa ukuthi awukho ngcwele ngalendlela ocabanga ukuthi ungcwele ngayo. Everything is defiled. Your house is defiled. Wangibonisa ibonda li-empty, wonke ama-picture frame aphumile. Wangibonisa wonke amavazi awile. And those were the things that were precious in my heart. Ungibonise zona zise kwi dumping site. Ziphukile, zihlepukile. Like literally zihlepukile in a dream. And mina mangizibuka ngisephupheni inhliziyo yami beyibhlungu ngathi I have lost a loved one. Bekungathi ngishonelwe.
Anything that you love more than God.
I didn't know ukuthi I've turned into idol worshipping with those things by loving them too much and valuing them in my heart too much. Ukuthi ngize ngithi yo angeke ngikhona ukuhlala ngafaka ngamazipho. I used to say that ngithi angeke ngikhone. Na 12 years ngifaka amazipho. There was never a year nor a month nor a day la izipho bengalifaki khona. Ubabdladla uyazi. He's the one obekahlala ngikhapha la bengenza khona amazipho. Yes, brother Chris. He's the one obeka ngikhapha. And bengithembekile bengibeka iloni alarm efonini yami ngithi babdladla namhlanje ngenza amazipho. Noma ngabe ubabdladla wenzani fanele ayeke. Noma busy kangakanani mangabe ubusy mele angiorganizele itransport yokuthi ngiyoyenza izinzipho ngoba I couldn't see myself without the nails.
Yeah, man.
Yes, it was like my life. Because I confirmed ukuthi angiziboni ngenze amazipho kanti uNkulunkulu ulinde the right time. And ebekazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi mina I'm not the person angisilo umuntu lo ongaconvince abantu uNkulunkulu fanele azehlele yena mathupha. I preached this message leya ka 1 Peter 3 verse 3 elithi ukuhloba kwenu makungabe kwangaphandle kuphela okwakwalu kuyinwele nokufaka igolide nezimpahla akube umuntu osithekile wenhliziyo ohloba ngomoya womnene nowokuthula. Mina I used to preach that message kuma conferences and uNkulunkulu wathi yabona ke njengoba wena le message uyidilute kanje you have to go back to these women and tell them that every woman who is still going through that road will end up in hell. They will be raptured but they will not make it to heaven because of the appearance. As you must go back to bonke abomamfundisi obaziyo. Ngibuyele ebandleni engikhonza kulo ngaxolisa on Tuesday bengixolisa ebandleni ngithi ngiyaxolisa kubo bonke abomama engiye ngaba deceiver kubo bonke abomama engiye ngaba role model yabo. I was a wrong role model based on what God has shown me. You were the wrong role model. You diluted the message. The man of God has done his part. He has preached the repentance message. People were ready by attitude yenhliziyo zabo ezobabdladlashilo but the appearance is wrong still. And okungikhalisa kakhulu brother Chris, I was not the only one who was going to hell. All the women in the church were going to hell, including our daughters. Nabama abantwana, we still crying endlini besikhala. Ngikhala nabantwana bami bathi mama, kusho ukuthi ngabe thina sisesihogweni. Because abantwana bami bebagqoka igate emfishane.
Which is okay.
And I'm teenagers, 17 and 14. 2 daughters and 1 son. Ngoba zona le igcebe uNkulunkulu athe batshele ukuthi akuna sigcebe akuna mama ogqoka isigcebi ozongena ezulwini. Akuna mama oyenza inzipho. Bo mama ngikhiphe konke. I have lost. God has stripped me out. Niyangibona ngigqoke kanjani? Umuntu ongaziyo uzongimangalela ukuthi uMamdladla uyahlanya na. Kwenzakalani angihlanyi ngizizwa kahle uNkulunkulu othe uzohamba uyobatshela. Ngikubonise ngoba I'm giving you the message to take it to women ukuthi nginenzela umusa irapture yenzakalanga not because bekungafanelanga beyizoyenzeka but ngibone ukuthi kunabantu inhliziyo zabe zi right but the appearance is wrong. So I'm begging you and I'm beseeching bonke abomamfundisi abangilalele bonke omama bathi bayakholwa and they want to make it to heaven. This is true. Hell is real. I've been there. Kangangokuthi brother Chris if irapture yenzekile ngabe mina ngisesihogweni. And angishi ngedwa ngisha nabantwana bami. Labe bengibathengela igcepi, ngibathengela amateki lawa ase fashionini, amaboots lawa nama chain ase fashionini abantwana bami bafaka ama short. Because of me I was the one ebengihamba nabo. Senze shopping ngibathengele lezi zinto. Worst part there was a time la ngibenzisa khona amazipho. Teenagers 17 and 14. Ngisitshela ukuthi hamba nshem nabo makuwabo December ngithi hayi asenzeni amazipho ngenzisa labantwana. So me I was the one who was ushering my kids to hell and all the women in the church and all the women where I preached the message yokuthi no one will go to hell because of I'm a Brazilian. That is why uNkulunkulu athe you will go back to these women and tell them ukuthi no one will see me.
Yeah, mama,
Brother Chris lapha ekhaya on that very same night izinto sizikhiphe zonke ubabdladla wangincedisa. Ngakhipha icathulo zonke. I've got more than 20 pairs. I think I've got 30 pairs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, enye yesona uNkulunkulu as address game covetousness. wanting more stuff. What you had too much shoes. And then you continue to buy more. And then you bought the most expensive shoes. Your clothes, you are wearing designer clothes. All these clothes are defiled and they are defiling you. So mina ngithi brother Chris, okuhlanzekile konke okuhlanzekile kwabahlanzekile kuhlanzekile. That's me. Wathi uNkulunkulu, you were lying, you were deceived. Ziphume ema-factory vele they are defiled. So awukwazi ukuthandazela into vele eqalekisiwe. Into zakho umtyholi lezi ezikaSathane. He knew very well uSathane ukuthi noma ngingaze ngithi ngingcwele kanjani uyongibamba ngale egate. Avele sekangi-accuse ukuthi nangu umntana kugqoka into zethu. Nangu ufaka ama-Prada phela ama-Louis Vuitton into zami lezi. Lamacica wafakile kangangokuthi I used to do i-mohawk and see nothing wrong. Ngumamfundisi. Baningi younger girls at church bathi ma sonke i-mohawk siqale ukuyithanda masibona wena uyenza. You did the best mohawk. Khane ngibona manje ukuthi uSathane was utilizing me, using me to defile the church and to ukuthi a dilute message. Ukuthi I don't care ukuthi ubabdladla how much more he can preach amemezele kangakanani as long as the wife does not change. Bonke labantu abashumayezile bayisihogweni. They will never make it to heaven. Sisikhiphile izinto sazilahlela ngaphandle. Yicathulo, yimpahla, amavasi, ama-picture frame. Do you know what happened that very same night after we did that? In a dream. Ngaphupha ngithathwa futhi ngomzimba wami wonke. I thought I was raptured. Can't know. uNkulunkulu was baptizing me and cleansing me. Wangithatha wayengifaka olwandle. I was raptured. And mangiba raptured ngabona ngiyaphezulu. So mina ngisitshela ukuthi sesiyahamba. Ngayothi phakathi kolwandle. And then he took me out and then ngaphaphama. After that my life was never the same.
In just these past few days.
Was never the same. Angiphezulu kumbonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi ngiyabonga. Indeed you are a very merciful God. I should have been in hell mina. Ngabe ngiyatsha. That is why into yokuqala yenzile ukungifaka esihogweni ukuthi angibonise ukuthi naku labo uya khona. Much as you thought you were ready, much as you thought you were holy, you were not that holy. You were not. And ngiyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu athi he's the one who sanctifies us. Allow God to sanctify you because 1 Thessalonians 5:23 uthi I the Lord, the God of peace, I am the one who sanctifies you, spirit, body and soul. So don't sanctify yourself because if mina uNkulunkulu uthe zisanctify mina ngabe ngigejile namanje because ngokuya ngami bengazi ukuthi ngiyahamba ngisindisiwe, I don't have any heart matters. uNkulunkulu wathi ngizokuprovela ukuthi there is everything wrong ngawe, you are defiled. And yet we are a role model to many people, to many women. Firstly mina ngiyaziwa. Firstly ras Israel ngiyaziwa makuthiwa nje umamdladla ezikolweni the youth makuthiwa nje kuza umamdladla. I was preaching kuma youth conferences, I was invited left and right. Just imagine the damage I've done. I have to go back. So ngiyabonga lethuba ukuthi at least le message izohamba and ngikholwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokwenza ukuthi ithola abantu abaningi. It's not about me, it's not about my name. I'm doing what God has asked me to do. Please go back and tell this woman no one will enter heaven with these things. Wangibonisa nemali ngoba henye yezinto angibonise zona ngiphuphe ibag yemali. Ngibonisa ibag yemali egcwele ama 200 ama 100 rand. Mangithola le bag yemali ngithathe ngifihle wardrobe. After that mangithi ngivula wardrobe imali ayisekho. Hayibo ible mali engaka. Ngiyayifuna ngiphenculile imibhede ngibheka everywhere the money is gone. Wathi uNkulunkulu when you've got a lot of money in your account, you've been saving it and uthe ufuna ukwenza ama project this year, there are no project that will take place. Give out all i-account yakho yonke, khipha yonke leyo mali uhambe uyosiza abantu abayidingayo. Nikeza abantu abampofu so uqalile uya investor in the kingdom ngoba that's another thing. We have to make our investment in the kingdom now. How? By giving out to the needy. By giving out to mama laba abangasena bayeni. Ngoba iyona inkonzo enkulu ebalulekile kuNkulunkulu. Uthi ukukhonza kumhlophe okungenabala iloko kuhambela intandane nabafelokazi. So if you haven't invested in that, then you are missing a point. You are missing a point. I have emptied my account. Zero. Angakutshela ubabdladla. Bengu Mother Christmas the whole 2 weeks ngiphisana ngale mali. And uNkulunkulu wathi I'm going to guide you ukuthi who are the people who deserve to have this money. You have saved it, you thought you're going to do it for your own home project, but not this time. You're not doing anything with that money. You're going to give it out to the poor, to abafelokazi, thola bogogo lapha enkonzweni ubanikele imali. Thola abantu abafelokazi ubanikele imali. Thola intandane ubanikele imali. Of which I did. Iphume yonke, I've got 0 in my account. uNkulunkulu ngistrip of everything. Ngibuze mamdladla, is it nice? No, it's not. Yo, uNkulunkulu ngenze ngaba umhlatshelo. For all abomamfundisi mina ngumhlatshelo wenu. Bonke abomama bakholwayo ngumhlatshelo wenu. It's not nice at all, bazalwane. I'm still trembling. Ngiyasaba. Ngimtshelile uNkulunkulu ngathi baba ngiyaxolisa for being stubborn, because stubbornness is equals to idolatry. Rebellion spirit is equals to witchcraft. Much as we are praying in Church City, sixosha abasithakathi mabaphume ngegama lika Jesu, kanti sithina ourselves sizibiza ngabazalwane singabomama bathandazayo, but it's ne witchcraft. Yithi abathakathi. Because we are disobedient to God. Asimlaleli uNkulunkulu. And we are rebellious. I was rebellious. Angipiki, I was rebellious. Very stubborn. Bongeke ungitshele next. And actually bengisitshela ukuthi abona bonke labo mama bakhuluma ngale ama makeup nani. It was their personal journey. It's not for me. uNkulunkulu bekakhuluma nabo. It's personal. Insindi si personal. Nami uNkulunkulu makangitshele lezi angazifuni. Wathi uNkulunkulu good. Ufike la ngikufuna khona. And then he came yena mathupha. Qathatha. Wangitshela ukuthi abona all these things leze ngizidetoxe kuwe. You must go back and tell this woman ukuthi no one will see. Ngicela ukulanda kancane ngebackground but Chris ithuba lami lingakapheli.
Yeah.
I-background yami ke mina ekhaya it was a Christian background.
Yeah.
Abazali bami were preachers of the gospel. So ekhaya umamami soloko ngazalwa mina ngafika emhlabeni. I've never seen my mom wearing a makeup. Mama bekangayigcoki makeup. Bekangafaka amacici angangokuthi bekangabhobozanga. Bekangalifaka ibruko 24/7. Bekangazenzi inwele. She always had the original hair ubezigeza azikami. And nami ngikhule kahle hle ngingaliqoki ekhaya amabruko bewangaqokwa. Nami as a young girl umamami wangimentora kanjalo ukuthi athi mina anginayo imali ngizothengela abantwana bami amantombazana amabruko ibruko aliqokwa la. So besingaqoka amabruko ama miniskirt bengawaqoki ama bum short bengawaqoki for a long time ngikhule kanjalo. That's my background. And that's the only thing that I knew. It's only now ukuthi yazi maso ukhula ne. And we are ngama generation, so uyaqala izinto ziyangena ama fashion ayangena uthi uya adjuster. We also want a sense of belonging ukuthi ngaze ngasala bo nabo abantu benza amazipho left and right, kanti that's where we went wrong.
I think mamdlala this thing like inde kakhulu.
Yeah.
So kuzomela ukubuye because abomama umfundisi abayenzi lento yenzayo ukuthi beze bezokhuluma.
Yes.
Like in public besho ukuthi I was doing this and this and that was going to cost the church.
Yes.
Yabona?
Yes.
So I think mhlambe kumele uphinde ubuye usaddress usithathele kahle yona. Usixoxele kahle yona ibehavior yomama umfundisi esontweni. Because abanye abamfundisi bayakuthethe iChris, omama umfundisi baya stress. So sengiyacanga ukuthi nabo abanye bafuna amazipho ngoba umfundisi asakhona ukushumayela kahle. Uyabona? So I think the behavior kamama umfundisi kuzomela ukubuye ukuzosixoxela ngayo.
No, ngajabula kakhulu.
Yeah. Babudlala sesizokubona bawubuya futhi okwaba nje isikhathi sesishayile kada ne. Ngiyakubona mase ngibuka kanje okay. Yeah. So kulungile sizokubona bawubuya futhi. Otherwise on sound and camera this thing is usual. I got my man James and on my right I got my man Kanda. Phela is one story at the time and one testimony at the time. We on Grace. James, are we out or what?
We out.
We out.